Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I will show you how to put an image or fill a shape with an image. But don't forget, if you want any free coding projects like for JavaScript, Python or whatever, you can come to darkdiary.com. Okay, so let's go to Canva, and as you can see here, I can change the image here within the frame. The image will not fill all the frame. How to do this? So first of all, go here to elements, then write shape, image or frames, and then for example let's put this one, so you can do it a round one, and also you add multiple shapes or whatever. And then let's go to images or photos, and you can choose whatever and put it whenever and whatever you want. And this is how. And of course you can, for example, if you want some shape, some page or some same thing, you can just duplicate here and then just put your image like this. Okay, done. Thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to come here. Don't forget to come here and get your free coding projects with the source code. Bye bye.